하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요, 블랙핑크입니다.
Welcome to BLACKPINK World Tour Soundcheck Event Day 1 here in Singapore. Nice to meet you guys.
Wow, Singapore, how are you feeling? We are loving the warm weather here in Singapore. Right?
Yeah, we can feel that tonight's gonna be a hot night.
Hot night!
It's a hot night.
I guess we're gonna need some ice cream then. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Ice cream! Something in my life, alright. No, but let it make it when a diamond cut it, shit it, niggas, bills, made, caught him, had y'all in some okay. Keep it moving, like at least I'm thinking five more, will you be some Mona Lisa, kind of Lisa, needs some ice cream in the trees. Keep it moving, like at least I'm thinking five more, will you be some Mona Lisa, kind of Lisa, needs some ice cream in the trees.
All right, Singapore. See you guys soon. Music here.